Getting a video to go viral on YouTube can be challenging, as there is no guaranteed formula for success. However, there are a few things you can do to increase the chances of your video being shared and viewed by a large audience. 1. Promote your video. Share your video on social media, embed it in blog posts, and reach out to other YouTubers or influencers to promote it. 2. Optimize your video. Use keywords and tags in the title, description, and tags of your video to make it more easily discoverable on YouTube. 3. Create high-quality content. Make sure your video is well-produced and engaging. A video that is well-lit, well-edited, and has good sound quality is more likely to be shared. 4. Be consistent. Regularly upload videos to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. 5. Encourage engagement. Ask viewers to like, comment and share your video. Respond to comments and messages to build a community around your channel. 6. Leverage trends and current events. If you can make a video that is timely and relevant to current trends, events or viral memes, it increases the chance of it getting viral. 7. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other creators can help expose your channel to new audiences and increase the chances of your video going viral. Please note that these are general ideas, and it's not a guarantee that your video will get viral, but it increases the chances of it.